Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete all data in Bean app. You can delete all data, but remember that data will be lost once you delete it, although you can back it up. So if you want to back it up, go to Profile and click on Save Backup to File, then click on Move Backup Folder to Folder and select the place where you want to save it. And I think it's pretty useful to actually save it, so I'll just do it. But there is a whole other video on the app on how to back it up, so you can watch that, and I think that will be more helpful with backup if you have any problems with backing it up. Now let's delete the data. Click on Delete My Data in Danger Zone. In the profile, of course, Delete Data. And now I think it's already deleted, or not. Let's click on that again. Delete Data. Let's try reopening the app and see if it is deleted. But since I have backed up my files, I can go to Profile and I can go to Load Backup from File. Then select the file and restore backup data. Now it is loaded. Let's see if it's already applied. Yes, it is. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.